Hello arty people! I think we can all agree that 2020 has been quite the year. Some of you may want to forget about it completely, but some of you may want to get your craft on and make some mementos of this crazy year. And for those people, I have come up with 3 COVID-related Christmas tree decorations. I know that 2020 has affected people in many different ways, but these decorations focus on the everyday things that I would say most people experienced this year during the pandemic. Raise your sanitised hand if you took part in a Zoom quiz. They're just a bit of fun and I hope you enjoy the video. On with the making! The first decoration we're going to make is a Zooming with Santa laptop. To make the laptop, you'll need some thick card. Amazon packaging works well, and if you're anything like me, you'll have plenty of it around the house. Cut out a rectangle of card and fold it in half. Take some decorative thread and stick it to the back of the card with some masking tape. I'm going to paint the inside of the card white as a base layer for some silver paint. Then I'm going to paint the outside black. Once the paint is dry, you'll need to get an image for your laptop screen. I found this close-up photo of Father Christmas and added a small selfie in the corner so it looks like we're on a Zoom call. Cut out your image and glue it to the inside of the card. Then take a piece of black paper and glue that underneath for the keyboard. Don't forget a smaller piece for the mousepad. Score some lines on the paper to give the letter keys some definition. And there you have it, a decoration to represent all the quizzes, meetings and catch-ups you've had over Zoom this year. The next decoration is an elf in a mask bauble. For this you'll need a plain plastic bauble. Paint the bauble in the skin colour of your choice using acrylic paint. You may need to do a few coats of this. Next, take some thick paper or card and draw the shape of an elf ear. Fold the paper so you can cut out 2 ears. Paint the ears to match the bauble. For the mask, cut a piece of tissue paper which wraps around just under half of the bauble. The length of the tissue paper needs to be a little bit longer than the width. Fold the tissue paper to make the pleats of the mask. Also fold the ends under to give a neat edge. Take a piece of masking tape and cut it in half. Put one half aside for later. Stick the edge of the folded tissue paper onto half of the piece of masking tape. Take some white sewing thread and stick it in the centre of the masking tape. Fold the ends towards the tissue paper. Fold the masking tape over and trim the ends, making sure not to cut the thread. Then do the same for the other side of the mask using the other half of the piece of masking tape. To make the hat, take some green card and draw a semicircle. Using a CD or a DVD as a template is helpful, if you even still have any of those. Then cut it out. Fold the card into a cone and check it fits on the bauble. Staple it in place. To decorate the hat, make some little triangles by folding a strip of red paper a few times and cutting out triangles. Glue these around the edge of the hat. Check to see how long the hanging string of the bauble is once it goes through the hat. I wanted mine to be a bit longer, so I cut a new piece. Thread it through the hat, ready to attach the hat to the bauble using a glue gun. Then glue a matching pom-pom to the top of the hat. Next, take the ears and fold them slightly. Glue them to the bauble. Next, attach the mask by gluing the sides. Then you can tie the thread around the back of the ears and trim the excess. Finally, add some eyes and other facial features using a pen or paint. And there we have a socially responsible elf. Just make sure to place him 2 meters away from the other decorations. The final decoration is a hand sanitizer snow globe. For this, you'll need an empty hand sanitizer bottle, which I'm sure we all have by now. I removed the label and rinsed out the inside. I found a pack of these mini trees in Hobbycraft, which are small enough to fit inside the bottle. To stick the tree inside the bottle, hold it with some tweezers and put some glue on the base. Push the tree through the neck of the bottle and stick it to the bottom. Tie some thread around the neck of the bottle, ready to hang it later. Pick out some glitter to put in the bottle. I'm using a mix of silver glitter and white. I'll be adding some glycerin, which I found in the baking aisle, which will help the glitter float around in the water. Fill the bottle with water, leaving a gap at the top. Add a few drops of glycerin, followed by the glitter. Screw the lid on nice and tight and then give the bottle a good shake. You could add all sorts of other Christmas things to your snow globe, like a snowman or a reindeer. Hang it on your tree for a bit of sanitizer sparkle. Let me know in the comments what ornaments would represent your 2020 experience. Stay safe, wash your hands, and thanks for watching.